Creating an invoice in a LSI is fast and straightforward. Completed jobs that are ready to be invoiced are highlighted in orange, making them easy to identify. Open the completed job to start creating the invoice. The customer information and job details are automatically loaded into the invoice. Review the services provided and adjust the quantities or prices if needed. Add any materials or parts used during the job to ensure accurate billing. If necessary, apply discounts or additional charges using the Adjustments section. The invoice automatically applies the tax settings configured in the customer's profile. Choose the customer's preferred payment method and review the invoice summary. Click Generate Invoice to create the invoice instantly. Your invoice is now ready to send to your customer or collect payment.